Go, Buster!
Buster is so excited to go play with his best friend Scout. What'll they play today? Ooh, Grandpa has a remote-controlled car. Buster's going to control it first. Vroom, vroom. Look at it go. Now Scout wants to go. But Buster wants to keep driving. Uh-oh, Scout doesn't think that's fair. She wants a turn. Oh dear. Now they're fighting over the remote. They both want to control the toy car. Oh no! The car crashed and broke. Now nobody can play with it. Buster and Scout are upset with each other. They're not playing anymore. It's so sad when friends argue. But wait, I think Grandpa has an idea. He's giving the remote to Scout and the toy car to Buster. They'll need to work together to fix it. Aw, now they've made up. Friends always forgive each other. There! Now they can both control the car. It's a bright new morning, and Buster looks so excited. It's Digley's birthday today. Buster can't wait to go to the party. Buster eats breakfast as quick as he can. Look, it's Scout. She's got Digley's present ready and wrapped up. How exciting! Oh no! Buster accidentally ran over the present. It's flat as a pancake. Poor Buster. It was just an accident. But wait, I think Buster has an idea. Look, Scout's grabbing that old cardboard box. And Buster's grabbing that bowl of sweets. There's the wooden stick, too. And the arts and crafts box. I wonder what they're up to. It's another present. But what could be inside? Now Buster and Scout are speeding off to Digley's party. They mustn't be late. Digley is waiting. His party has already started. But phew, there's Scout and Buster. They made it. Digley's opening his present and… Whoa! It's a piñata! It's Digley's birthday, so he gets to hit it with the stick. Off he goes. One more. Smack! Look at all those sweets! An amazing birthday present. It's Buster and Robin. Buster looks like he's enjoying that bubblegum a lot. What's that? A message in a bottle. I wonder what it is. Whoa! It's a treasure map. X marks the spot. Buster and Robin are going to find the buried treasure. Now which way should they go? There's the jetty. And look! There's the desert island. They found it. Uh-oh. The water is full of sharks. They'll need to find a safe way across. Look, it's Katrina, the steamboat. She's stuck on the beach. She could use a push back into the water. That's it, Buster. Well done. Great. Katrina is back on the water. But oh dear, there's a hole. Katrina could sink if someone doesn't fix it. I think Buster has a plan. I wonder what he's doing with the bubble gum. Oh! He's using the bubble gum to block up the hole. Very clever, Buster. The sharks won't catch them now. Next stop, the desert island. Great! Buster's arrived on the island. Now he just needs to find the treasure. It's around here somewhere. There! X marks the spot. Buster's digging down. Wow! A treasure chest! Look, a coin! I wonder what Buster will use it for. Look! Digley is working on Katrina, fixing up her leak. Oh! Buster is using the coin to pay Digley. He's helping Katrina get fixed to say thank you to his new friend. What a fun adventure! Hooray! It's time for the big race. Digley, Scout, and Buster are going to race to see who wins the cup. Oh, Bandit is racing too. Ready, steady, go! And they're off. Buster's driving as fast as he can, and his wheels are going round and round. Bandit's in the lead, but Buster is passing him. Hooray! Buster's in the lead. Everyone is driving really fast. Look out! Scout is speeding ahead. Scout's taken the lead. Uh-oh, a low bridge. Little Scout can fit under, but everyone else will have to go around. Buster and Digley have reached a river. How will they cross? Nice! Digley made a bridge. It was a shortcut. Now they've caught up with Scout. There's Bandit. Oh no! That's an oil barrel, spilling all over the road. Scout and Digley are sliding on the oil. What a cheater! But Buster is still racing. He's catching Bandit. Bandit's skidding. He ended up in that pond. Serves him right. There's the finish line. Buster's speeding ahead. Hooray! Buster won! And as his prize, he can have a nice, tasty ice cream. And of course, the winner's cup. Hello, Buster. Whoa, look at all that spooky slime. You're splashing it everywhere. Look, it's Terry the tractor. I don't think he wants to get covered in slime. Look how careful he's being. Zoom! Wait, look out, Buster. You're heading straight for Terry. Phew, that was a close one. Watch out, Buster. Oh dear, you splashed Terry with slime. I don't think he's very impressed. Off Buster goes again, having fun in the green slime. Watch out! Oh no, Buster is stuck in the sticky slime. Dear, oh dear, he really is stuck tight. The sun's going down and it's getting dark. Spooky. I hope Buster's going to be okay. Look everyone, it's Terry Tractor. He's come to save the day. Terry doesn't look too happy about it though. Please help Buster, Terry. He just needs one big push. Can he do it? 1, 2, here we go! Hooray! Thanks, Terry. Oh, Buster. Thank goodness Terry Tractor was there to save Buster from the sticky green slime. Bye, Terry. Bye, Buster. I wonder what Buster and Digger are doing. Wow, who painted that? Looks like you guys want some ice cream. Digger, that is one big ice cream cone. Oh look, here comes Iggy, the ice cream truck. Buster and Digger want Iggy to help make them the giant ice cream. Now let's see. Oh, cherries! That's a delicious flavor. Let's pick that. Wow, look at all that ice cream. Right, next we need a blue ice cream. Blueberries? Perfect! looking so good, Buster. Okay, yellow next. Bananas, good choice. You want more? Okay, this has to be the last flavor, otherwise it will be too big. Apple it is. This is going to be one tasty ice cream. One last effort, Iggy. That ice cream looks quite wobbly. Steady as you go, Digger. Robin has come to get Scout so that she can find out what Buster and Digger have made for her birthday. You better follow Robin, Scout. Happy birthday, Scout! That is the biggest ice cream I have ever seen! Oh no, Digger! Watch out, Scout! That was close. Blow the candle out, Scout. Now you can all tuck into the ice cream. Yum, yum. Hey there, Buster. And Digger, too. That's a big sandcastle you've built there. It's Sandy Seagull. Watch out, Sandy. Don't stand on the sandcastle or you'll... Oh, dear. Poor Digger and Buster. Off you go, Sandy. Cheeky bird. What have you seen, Buster? It's a red shape sticking out of the ground. I wonder what it is. Nice work, Digger. It's a triangle. Isn't that cool? And look, Sandy has found a yellow shape, too. It's a circle. Can you find any more, Sandy? Here's another one. This one's blue. Dig it out, quick. That's a square. It has 4 sides. Whoa! There are so many shapes. Triangles, circles, rectangles, hexagons. Sandy, wait, don't... Oh dear, oh dear. Wait a minute. I think Buster has an idea. Buster and Digger are collecting the shapes up. I wonder what they're going to do with them. They're stacking them up. I think they're building a tower. Just one more piece to go on the top. That's it, Buster. Gently, gently. There. Perfect. Wow, Buster and Digger have made a tower out of the shapes. What a great idea. Now they can get back to building their sandcastle. And look, Sandy has somewhere to stand that won't collapse. Nice work, Buster. Bye, Buster. Bye, Digger. I think Buster is sleeping again. Where are you, Buster? Look at all the giant colored balls and toys. It looks like a great place for an adventure. Let's see what else Buster can find. Wow! Look at that teddy bear. Look how big it is. He looks soft and cuddly. Aw, that's it, Buster. Have a nice big cuddle. He looks so cuddly. Oh no, Buster. What's that noise? It's a giant claw. I think Buster is inside a giant claw machine. Buster, watch out. It's going to get you. Go, Buster. Oh no. Whew. Buster, it was just a bad dream. Look, it's Scout. It looks like Buster is still a bit shaken up, but you don't need to worry anymore, Buster. Look, Buster, Scout has something to show you. I wonder what it is. Oh no, it's a claw machine. Buster looks frightened. Scout's not scared of it. Maybe it's fun. Don't worry, Buster. Scout's with you. Look, Buster, it's that teddy. Why don't you try and win it? Come on, Buster, just be brave. You can do it. Okay, Buster, let's get this teddy. Take it easy. That looks about right. Okay, here goes. Did you get it? What's that? Oh, it's a little yellow bus. That toy looks just like you, Buster. That's made Scout and Buster laugh. Buster has gotten over his fear of the claw machine now. Hey, Buster. Looks like another day to have fun. Oh no, it's Bandit the bus. Buster, watch out, you will crash. Wait, what's happening? Oh wow, you're floating in the air. This is incredible, Buster. I wonder if you can fly! Oh wow, you've turned into a superhero. You are so fast. Super Buster is here, woohoo! What has Buster seen? It's Otis the police car. I wonder what Otis is looking for inside the tunnel. Wait, it's Bandit the bus. What is he up to? This doesn't look good. Oh no! He's pushed the boulder over the edge and trapped Otis in the tunnel. You've got to save him, Buster. You can't let Bandit the bus get away with this. That boulder looks very heavy. It's okay, Buster. You're a superhero now. You can save him. Oh, Buster, your eyes! Wow! You have laser vision! Well done, Buster. You've set Otis free. Now let's catch that naughty Bandit bus. There's Bandit. Looks like he's up to no good again. Scout, watch out! Poor Scout. Look who it is. You're in trouble now. Super Buster is here. Buster, you can stop him. Super Buster is too strong for Bandit. That should stop him. Phew. Now Buster just needs to help Scout out of the pond. Haha, look at Bandit. He's stuck now. Oh, it was all just a daydream. I don't think the teacher is very happy. Buster the bus and Scout the car are playing soccer. Buster shoots. Goal! Well done, Buster. Great work. Whoa, it's a soccer bus. He plays for the Big Bus soccer team. He wants Buster to come try out for the team. But oh no, Buster is too shy. Scout encourages him, and Buster says okay. He'll come to the big game tomorrow. Scout is very proud of her friend, but Buster is still nervous. That night, Buster is sleeping peacefully in his garage. Buster dreams he's playing on the Big Bus soccer team. The game starts, but oh dear, the buses play rough. Now it's Buster's turn in goal. He tries to save it, but oh dear, the soccer buses don't look very impressed. Poor Buster, he's tried so hard. Phew, it was just a bad dream. But now Buster's even more nervous about trying out for the team. Scout does her best to encourage him. Buster can do it. She believes in him. Now it's time for the big game. Robin blows his whistle and the game begins. Oh no! The red bus has been injured. They can't play anymore. Buster will have to step in. Go on, Buster, you can do it! Buster kicks the ball and the game goes on. Buster is going in goal now. The blue bus takes a shot and... Buster saved it! Well done, Buster! You did so well! Hooray! That was so much fun! What a bright, sunny day it is! Oh, look! It's Digley and CJ. They're filling up CJ's mixer with water. What are they both up to? Look, there's Buster and Scout. Phew, what a hot day! I wonder what they can do to cool down. Whoa! Digley and CJ are making colorful water balloons. Looks like Buster and Scout have got an idea. A water balloon fight. Ready, set, off they go. What are Buster and Scout planning? Oh, look, Digley and CJ are sneaking up behind them. And splash! Uh-oh, Scout has been hit! And bullseye! Now things are getting interesting. Who is that hiding in the bushes? It's Scout. But she managed to hide just in time. It's CJ's second chance. But look, here comes Buster. He splashes CJ from behind. Quick, Buster! Oh no! CJ and Digley have Buster and Scout cornered. What are they going to do? Aha! An umbrella! I think Buster's got a plan. CJ and Digley take aim, but Buster's keeping dry with the umbrella. Great idea, Buster. Uh-oh, Digley and CJ are filling up again. Whoa! Look at the size of that balloon! Looks like Buster is in trouble. Wow! Nice shot, Buster! That was so much fun. Look! Buster and Cozy Coop are playing in the park. There's Iggy the ice cream truck. Buster's going to grab some ice cream. But what's that? It's Robot Buster. He's turned yellow like Buster. Cozy thinks it's the real Buster and wants to play. But oh no! The ball hit Robot's switch and it turned him mean. Robot Buster is leading Cozy away. Now Buster is back, but he doesn't know where Cozy went. Poor Buster. There's Iggy. What's Robot Buster up to? Oh no! He's throwing tomatoes at Iggy. That's very mean. Cozy looks very upset. Robot Buster is running away now. Poor Cozy doesn't understand. Meanwhile, Terry is playing the accordion. Nice. Oh no! Robot Buster smashed the accordion. Poor Terry. Cozy is standing up to Robot. That was really mean. But what's this? It's Buster! Hooray! There's the good-bad switch. Cozy knows what to do. Flick! Now Robot Buster is nice again. Good job, Cozy and Buster. Now Robot Buster is making up for being mean. Iggy's all clean and Terry's accordion is fixed. Hooray! There's Buster and Scout driving home. Wait, what was that? Oh, wow! It's a little baby reindeer. She must be lost. Buster is trying to cheer her up. Aw, I think she wants to play. She's a jumpy little girl. Now Buster's throwing a snowball. Oops! Sorry, Scout. It's fun to play with new friends. Now Buster has built a snow ramp. I wonder what he's up to. Vroom! Buster's doing a big jump. Now it's the baby reindeer's turn. Whoosh! Now Scout. Oops! Sorry, Buster. But where's the baby reindeer gone? They're following the footprints. There! She was playing hide and seek. Where's Scout going? A big pile of snow. Oh, look, it's Scout. Whoa, more reindeer footprints, bigger ones. I wonder where they lead. I think the friends are going to follow them. The tracks are winding all through the trees. Look! It's Mommy and Daddy Reindeer! They're so happy they found Baby. Baby Reindeer has had so much fun playing with Buster and Scout. But now it's time to say goodbye. Bye, Baby Reindeer. See you again soon. It's a cold winter's night. What's Buster up to? Oh, wow! A drawing of some fireworks. Buster's so excited because tonight he's going to a real fireworks display. But wait, he's forgotten something. A nice warm hat. There. Now it's time to go and watch the fireworks. Oh, what's that? Fireworks make loud noises. Oh dear, they frightened Buster. He doesn't like loud noises. Aw, poor Buster. He's shaking. What's Mommy doing? Oh, Buster's toy car makes loud noises, but that's not scary. What's that loud noise? It's Grandpa with a soccer whistle. Buster loves soccer. He doesn't mind that loud noise either. What's that loud noise? Oh, it's popcorn popping. Buster loves popcorn. He doesn't mind that noise. Wow, the fireworks are so pretty. Maybe loud noises aren't so bad after all. Buster's going to give it another try. Whoa! Look at those colorful fireworks! It's time for Buster to go to school. He mustn't forget his packed lunch. There's Scout. They don't want to be late. But who's this? A little fire truck? Buster is waving hello. At school, the teacher has a surprise. This is Ash. He's the new kid in school. He's going to be joining their class. Ash is going to Buster because he waved hello. He's so excited to have made a new friend already. Now today, the children are going to learn about parking. The teacher is showing them how to do it properly. Now it's their turn to try. Scout's got it. And Buster. Oh. Ash is sticking really close to his new friend. He's following Buster wherever he goes. He doesn't understand Buster is trying to park. Oh dear, I think he's got on Buster's nerves a bit. Buster wanted some space, but Ash didn't understand. At break time, Buster and Scout are playing. Aw, poor Ash has no friends to play with. But Buster and Scout have an idea. Ash can play with them. They're friends now after all. Now they're all playing together. Whoa, good shot, Ash! It's so nice to make new friends.